Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect a Huawei Watch to a Samsung S24 Ultra. First, ensure your Huawei Watch is fully charged and powered on, ready for pairing. Next, download the official Huawei Health application from the Samsung Galaxy Store or Google Play Store, then open it. Grant all necessary permissions for the app to function correctly on your Samsung device. Finally, enable Bluetooth on your Samsung S24 Ultra through the Quick Settings panel. Once the Huawei Health app is open, navigate to the Devices tab, usually found at the bottom of the screen. Tap on Add Device and select Smartwatches from the list of categories. Your Samsung S24 Ultra will then begin searching for nearby Huawei watches. When your specific watch model appears, tap on it to initiate the pairing process. Confirm the pairing request on both your watch and your Samsung phone. This usually involves matching a short code. If you encounter any issues during pairing, first try restarting both your Huawei Watch and your Samsung S24 Ultra. Ensure the Huawei Health app has all required permissions, especially for Bluetooth and location services. Sometimes, temporary network glitches can affect the connection, so disabling and re-enabling Bluetooth might help. For persistent problems, try clearing the app's cache or reinstalling the Huawei Health application on your Samsung phone. After successful connection, you can customize notifications, track fitness data, and manage watch faces directly from the Huawei Health app. Explore the app settings to synchronize health metrics like heart rate and sleep patterns. Remember to keep both your watch firmware and the Huawei Health app updated for optimal performance and new features. This ensures a stable and feature-rich experience with your connected devices.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.